Fish fry. Subscribe and click the bell to never miss an update from Jimjan Kitchen. For this recipe, we are using 300 grams kingfish, locally known as surmai. Marinate the fish with 1 teaspoon salt and let it rest for 15 minutes. For the masala, take 5 to 6 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon turmeric, salt as required, and 2 tablespoons vinegar. Grind to a fine paste. Add water if required. We need a thick paste. Remove the masala paste in a bowl and set aside. Marinate the fish with the prepared masala paste. Remember to wash off all the salt before marinating the fish. You can use the same masala paste for frying pomfret, black pomfret and Bombay duck. Set aside for 15 minutes. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Coat the pieces with semolina. Use fine semolina for this recipe. Shallow fry on medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip them. Fry on both sides till crisp and golden brown. Crispy surmai fry or kingfish fry is ready to be served. Subscribe to my channel Jimjan Kitchen, click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.